Okay guys, so today I'm going to be walking you through the Pythagorean theory. So the first thing you need to know is that what you see on the screen, this right here, is the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where both a and b are sides in the triangle, right? So we can see that a is a side of the triangle, B is another side of the triangle, but C is the hypotenuse, right? So these two can be exchanged. Like it doesn't matter when you put them into the equation because we're adding them up and it will essentially be the same thing. But you must always remember that the C has to go on this side of the equation. If not, then the whole thing is wrong. Okay, so we have two exercises here that I'm going to walk you through so that you can get a better grasp of what you saw up on the formula on the screen. So we have that A equals 5, B equals 2, and C equals an unknown number. So let's just do a triangle right here. And you have to remember that in the Pythagorean theory, it only applies to triangles with a right angle. And by right angle, I mean that it has a 90-degree angle. If not, then it just doesn't apply. So we have that A equals 5, B equals 2, C equals an unknown number. Remember what I said, you could put A over here, or you could put B over here, and it wouldn't matter, because we are just adding, so it's essentially the same. Okay, so we begin. Remember the formula, which is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So we have 5 squared plus 2 squared equals C squared. We know 5 times 5 is 25. 2 plus 2 is 4. And we have the C. So 25 plus 4 is 29. And to get rid of this, we have to put the square root on the other side. So we know that C equals 29. Okay, so we already have our answer, which is this right here. And note that you can also check your answer by putting it into the equation right here. So if we wanted to verify it, we could. Let's do it right here. We're verifying. So 5 squared plus b squared equals 29 squared. So this is 25 plus 4 equals 29 because these cancel, and 29 equals 29. So we know the answer is correct. Okay, so we move on to the other side. Let's do a triangle here too. Remember, this is a right angle. A equals 10. B equals an unknown number, and C equals 12. So here things are a little different because our unknown number is not the hypotenuse, it's one of the sides of the triangle. And to solve this, we just have to substitute inside this equation. So we have 10 squared plus b squared equals 12 squared. 10 times 10 is 100, plus b squared equals 144. And we just put this and we transfer this over here. So now we have 144 minus 100, and b squared equals 44, and b equals square root of 44 to get rid of that b squared. There we have it, our answer. And we can also verify this one by putting 10 squared plus 44 squared equals 12 squared. And that's 100 plus 44 equals 144. 144 equals 144. And that is correct.